Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaiñ Hills District jaiñ IAS minta khalai terek minta banai naila ula Plie paidbah ya ko wei ka shlem ai jinghikai thaiñ Ladrymbai-B ka Ladrymbai Handloom Weavers Cooperative Society East Jaiñ Hills District palalam khamat da leader jangka project Martin Kyangti Usketri Jangka Society Original Kyangti Bat ka buhay chore Bat ka Kalpana Rai kumki instructor. Habakran kumukong san Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaiñ Hills District jaiñ IAS ulapan pau ya ka jing ang nu jong u ban kentiu ya ki jat mar ki bapanmi na po ka district kum ki jan ba ki than hi ki jat jing bam jing di bat ki wekwe ki jat tiar bashna hi da ki bre ki ba na po ka district na kalyang skill development officer uba lambor mi taryang ulakan tu ya kitu ki ba hikai ba ki dei ban long ki ba yaisha bat yaine hado ban dap namar kani kan long ka jingmento ya ki hi ki bala ai jingkran ki kentup ru usketri jongka society uba original kyangti uba he shnong Ladrymbai-B uba jasper bare bat usketri shnong uba charity suja.
Okay. So how many
We are going
people
to
can
start
train
with
here? One together,
25.
25. Okay.
Since we apply for 50%, but we do it for 25.
Okay.
Because we complete this
These
first
machines are made here or you got it from somewhere?
This is
Sau Oktober là cũng lại cũng rất từ sau pada yêu thằng ngà phi produk ilang sai vậy kia vì chỉ mình ta langi ini program one skill langi ini program nang ba jing maya yang belai care dah video isam lang kami kat dua diam lang ini program aku besi bon ni phi được yang sau bahai phi woro rồi em ini duduk man bay man pa bat kam tam pang ni phi thì baju em ta lang mau pre oki ini yo nang ku man hiji to nang ba ni hanlum em ini senong thau yang i nang ba ni kam sor that sor sulah ini po senong thau i yo man ki man kamai ye phi yang alang pi woro yo nang ku nang roi ni senong thau ini thai nong ni kam ju woro
2008, but we started functioning from 2011 by the help of friends and fathers from Good Shepherd. That is because I was the founder of this area Good Shepherd School. So then father was helping me to start the handloom for the unemployment men and women. So we started. So slowly and steadily we approached this and that department, different department. We got by and by. So now we are with this MSSDS. So we got this project also. Then we got also sometimes we get also from Smart from Guwahati, NSSDS. We used to get also the training program. Then this time we get first from this MSSDS. So we are ready to start, and we are targeted only for 50%, but we will start with only 25 first base, and second base will start after the one follow on. So our handloom always target to the unemployed people. Here most of them are already we train. So again we will train for skill. So we are ready to do that from today as you came for inauguration, and we'll be starting that one from today and itself will start. So we are very much thankful for different department who are helping us. Though today also Sir Kerman has not come, but then I informed him. He said then since Kong Santa is coming, then I will not come. He told me personally. Then I don't know what happened.
Yang government yang sarkar mi khelia hapok ke jingilam yang kontrat sangma ko CM yang i mo the bun ki program ki initiate u te kam ki wini ki yi tok ke wini ka objective or initiate yang sarkar ka ni tok ke angka kenika mi khelian age the store em ke mi khelian the store hadelhi kenika thau tok yo dai ki tiar yang ki bru yang ke state yang i em dai ki chukandau em dai ki that mo kini là dari tok ye puchna de yu e kyo dai ge te ke te mot langba ke jing da uba original langba ke ni galan bai handloom yo e tie up ki mo kata ko tang ke jing request ni nga wa siang pa ki chitom the mana chna pele mana thañ pi ni le de finishing your best Waktu customer mana thet mem ke liu kam tam ke stage high end customer mah kiu yu susan ruh jari bi produk bi tiar mem ke liu ka wan ini pandor ha ke liu pa quality miat mah best tang quality ti dor moi bu ai bu kat bu dor chim ki mah ta bi te si bi wan le mun khanai pi to ka wan kemen gi le da yok ku thet ne ki area ga yong pi mah te kwa khanai pi ke Ladrymbai go wi ne ki area kam tam ci zintia to ka NGT affected village nang te liang because of NGT affected village even the district administration especially under leadership of DC we will try to do the maximum to help especially to the people to get opportunities mah you opportunity extra pi mah kim ta ji mento yang pi kamati betok ga NGT kta ba ka ya ka ni district mah te hendai liang ke department yang eu lai maximum kat yem ye ukra nem ta ka yang pi mah te chua cuman director yang mah em ba hiop yu o wan ha ke district yang pi te o was dang ye ke program skill mekhelia man chua ampo em go posted ampo em tangu yum phoi ka la mah masen man jonyo apa ke department yang sedang kau streamline mana streamline the yo sedang ke program kami ni program keleng training apa ke state yang te the boni kena wa yo train the boni yo employment la mah hagi district of pero the boni kena wa yo kre te keni gubi kita ko bor ko sangsuk te kermani kamtam pi da izentia the emusa DC kat tu sini to well experienced in and out di keni skill program you promote ki new sector new venture nam tayong pi ki kon control yang ke district mah te kamtam hala rembah ni le to kat te wani wan wai ye keni ka handloom center ni ye keni training yang keni sort that mah keni thaiñ that henry wan wai cho give opportunities untuk di kini give big opportunity ki training ko yi pi sao ba pi kwa pu lai mah jadi ki wasuk pu yok krek ki job oriented training mah the one rai wata wa moi u ngai je ye wo ong give ki bro ki na jingai mah ki na jingai ni give ki district ni give ki chnong ni give ki thau ong gi Ladrymbai te chnong go majon gi bro andai mto kam te mah andai ong ki mo yong agi yo pen yo proof ki to wrong gi im to ri te ki tibi bon ki tibi mah te izentia kam go district im to ri wi jai ki wrot bon jai ki udai te lang ba office yang kam jo chirup ke jing krek lang o secretary chnong o he chnong chirup i krek lang yo penyo che ka parthai bi ki program ki activities ye le ni wi jai kam na ye yo paisa he mah te kermani ni chukmat do ye krek lang bhai te CV ke jing kerpat na ka bentai ki ki perlok ki man be yang ki ulai ki training te kamati pi ke training man ko subnai ke training te request kerpat AP to kaliang ke office yang strict bhai ke por te rap strict ile ko ai bila strict ke por ko ai man de pi training ko ti pi le ko ti pi kre ma mto strict i por uli chong ai pi ni ko ai yo ti pi le ti pi kre te ikermani to kam ngini thar India mo le ni ka kinjai that permi pi de expect na po office yang to hapo we zentia mem le ikini na ko office yang training mem te pi zentia de mele te expect to ma do mi ki products na pi no na pi kini ki arosan san phangot yo thet na pi
A little bit history about this program. As our skill development officer told that this program was initiated 2-3 years back when I was working as the director of MSSDS. But the vision of this program started even a year back when I was also not there. This was the vision of our honorable CM, because we had a program called Skill India of Government of India, but somehow it was not fitting to the local needs. We have a lot of handlooms, lot of small handicrafts all across, spread across our state, but we were not able to support them, and we were not able to do training which are more meaningful to our people, which will provide them livelihood within their village. They don't need to go to Shillong to attend the training, they don't need to go to Kheriat to attend the training. So with this vision to provide them training at the place of their residence in their village, so that they can learn, and after that they need not go for job. So many trainings are job oriented, but this program, the main purpose of the program was livelihood oriented, so that once they learn it, and there are many components after the training also, and I hope you will be in touch with them and they will take advantage of it. So we don't want just for you just to have a training for 1 month, 2 months, then go back and then don't do anything further. So we have a program for startup toolkits. We can provide you small weaving machines, small handloom machines that you can take at home. You can work on it. Otherwise, if the machines are very big, then we can provide you a center and a machine, kind of production hub, where all of you can come after the training as long as you want. You can work together, do your weaving handloom there, and then marketing support can be provided. Then the third component is of the shop. So suppose after the training you want to open a new shop somewhere in Kheriat market. For that also there is a component within the same program Skills Meghalaya under MSSDS, where the trainees will be provided support for marketing. So these were this was the whole plan. So we wanted to link training with meaningful livelihood and employment. That was the purpose, not just to continue with the trainings, more and more numbers of training, but no outcome. So we have seen recently, I have after I left MSSDS also many new achievements of MSSDS. Lamborghini was already telling that we have now sent our nurses outside our country to Japan after we have completed their training. So we hope we will plan together that many such trainings we will bring to Kheriat also, so that our youth of our Kheriat can also of East Jaintia Hills can also get the exposure to not just so have a livelihood training exposure, but also have the exposure to go outside the state, go outside the country, and have exposure of job environment, work culture there. Administration side also we are planning few initiatives. One thing that came to my mind when I joined, lot of entrepreneurs, lot of skill development partners came to meet me, and everyone is selling their own products with their own brand name. Like for this handloom there is one brand name. For BD products, one entrepreneur came to meet me, they are selling pickles and ginger, they have their own brand name. So we will work together and create one single brand name for the district, so that all the entrepreneurs who are making anything, we can provide them with similar branding. Like for example, this is there, but as of now I don't see any brand name. So when you give to anyone, they should know that this is the product of East Jaintia Hills, this is manufactured in this village. So like that we will create a brand. And then from the market also, today we have called a meeting with Vishal Mega Mart and the Family Mart. We will try to have a kind of collaboration and MOU with them, where they will keep the products of our local entrepreneurs also in their shops, so that the people who are going there for market, they can buy directly from there. Then from the in the DC office also we are planning to create one space, so that any visitor who is coming there, we will keep the products of all the entrepreneurs with their contact name, everything. They can come there and they can see what are the products, they can directly contact you. So whatever marketing opportunities we can provide to our entrepreneurs, our skill development partners from the district administration side, we will see. And more trainings for the funding of the training, MSSDS is already there. But whatever support in terms of training space, so we have a DMF building that we have already given to 2 training partners temporarily for conducting their trainings. We have more such buildings which are unused in our districts, old buildings, so that can be renovated, and we can create them as a skill training center or as a mini prime hub for marketing. Prime hub team is already here. We will have a discussion on how we can take this initiative forward. So that is the plan going forward. In next 1 year, 2 year, we have to create a kind of ecosystem in our district, starting from training, then livelihood, then marketing. And in future, I hope we will have more products in Meghalaya store, in Shillong also, in some of the emporiums, in state government Meghalaya tourism shops, we can put our products in tourist area, so that more and more people from the area can benefit out of it. Your dedication towards this project. So if you need any further help also, apart from training, for example, you want to buy some new machines, you want to have a bigger space for conducting it, for creation of production hub, so we are always open for discussion. We can discuss together, we can provide, we can find from wherever the funding will come. You can just let us know whatever are your needs to upgrade your center, and we will do that going forward. So thank you.